Workers' compensation is a unique area of law. It's very different than personal injury. In a workers' compensation case, the claimant is relieved of the duty to prove that their employer was negligent. There's no fight over whether the employer was negligent. What you need to prove is that the worker was injured on the job. Workers' compensation pays for lost income. It pays a percentage of the lost income. It covers the injured worker's medical bills, and you can obtain a recovery for permanent injury. Workers' compensation differs from personal injury in that there's no compensation for pain and suffering available. The types of payments that are available in a workers' compensation case include lost income. The workers' compensation insurance will pay a percentage of the employee's weekly lost income, and payment for medical expenses for the treatment related to the injuries incurred on the job. Another category of compensation that's recoverable in a workers' compensation case is temporary or total disability. The attorneys at our law firm have been handling workers' compensation cases for a very long time. We understand the concerns of the injured worker. We understand the twists and turns that a workers' compensation case can take before the Workers' Compensation Commission, and we are adept at obtaining the full range of benefits available to the worker, whether this is lost income, payment for medical expenses, making sure that the injured employee is receiving the medical treatment that they need to get better, and if the injured employee has suffered any disability, whether it's temporary or permanent, that we're getting them compensated for suffering that disability. When a workers' compensation client comes in to meet with us for the first time, they can expect that we're going to want to get to know them and find out everything there is to know about their employment, how the accident happened, what their income and wages were, what their injuries and medical treatment looked like. We want to know everything there is to know about their employment and the injuries they suffered. But we also want to know how the injuries have impacted their life, because we use this information to obtain the best possible result for our workers' compensation clients.